can hear me or not, but I got her running. She just needs a little charge. So we're gonna get it off here. And this, I have a 2015 truck, and this is one thing I hate about the 2015s. It's really hard to get these big old clamps in there. Chevy needs to make these wider. I'm sure they do in the newer trucks, but in the 15s, probably the 14 to 19s, I don't know how they are after the 15s, but make a little bit more room for us, okay, Chevy? But yeah, I got the old Ford running. Hopefully you can hear me. I gotta get to work. All right, thanks, bye.